Welcome, my dear. Pass me your 3 coins, and I will tell your future, your past, and your deepest desire. Your past, my dear. You were a fool. You performed dull and boring magic. For your future, I see tears. These are tears of joy and laughter. Your future is bright. And now, your deepest desire. Ooh. Saucy. Your deepest desires is a gimmick tarot deck inspired by Lawrence Turner's Underground ILC deck. If you know, you know. What we've done is taken that and made it into a tarot that is packed full of magic and fun. Not only that, we've added a load of bonus features into it. If this isn't the card for you, we have the Death card. This is a tarot project unlike any other. It's got comedy, it's got darkness, it's got mystery. But most of all, it's got a gigantic gag at the end.